What's up, Internet Paydays community? Welcome back to episode 30, and today we're diving into one of the most underrated, low-competition side hustles I've come across in a while. We're talking about becoming a DMV Title Paperwork Specialist. And before you click away thinking this sounds boring, hear me out. This is a service business that solves a genuine pain point, has almost zero startup costs, and can earn you anywhere from $500 to $3,000 plus per month working part-time. So stick around. I'm going to break down exactly what this business is, who needs it, how to get started, what to charge, and how to get your first clients this week. Let's get into it. What is a title paperwork specialist? All right, so what exactly does a DMV title paperwork specialist do? In simple terms, you become the go-between for people who need DMV services, but don't want to deal with the confusion, long wait times, or bureaucratic headaches that come with it. Here are the core services you'd be offering. Vehicle title transfers. When someone buys or sells a car privately, they need to transfer the title from the old owner to the new owner. Sounds simple, right? But depending on the state, this can involve multiple forms: notarization, odometer disclosures, lien releases, and more. One missing signature can mean another trip to the DMV. Bill of sale documentation. A proper bill of sale protects both buyer and seller. You help draft, format, and ensure all the legal language is correct, so the transaction is legitimate and compliant. Registration and tag renewals. Some states allow third parties to handle registration renewals. Even if your state doesn't, you can still help people fill out paperwork correctly and avoid rejection. Out-of-state transfers. Moving from California to Texas, New York to Florida. Each state has different requirements. You become the expert who helps people transition their vehicle registration smoothly without making costly mistakes. Bonded titles. When someone loses their title or buys a car without one, they may need a bonded title. This involves getting a surety bond and filing specific paperwork. It's intimidating for most people, but easy money for you once you learn the process. Who needs this service? Now let's talk about your target market, because this service appeals to way more people than you'd think. 1. Private car buyers and sellers. 2. Auto dealers and wholesalers. 3. Salvage buyers and rebuilders. 4. Car buyers with missing paperwork. 5. Busy professionals. 6. Out-of-state movers. 7. Elderly or non-tech savvy individuals. Tools and knowledge you need. Let's talk about what you actually need to get started. The good news? This is an extremely low-barrier business. Knowledge base. Start with your state's DMV website. Join DMV Facebook groups. Talk to DMV staff. Essential tools. Google Docs or Microsoft Word. For creating templates, checklists, and client intake forms. Keep everything organized in folders by client name. HelloSign or DocuSign. For digital signatures. Many title documents require notarization, but preliminary paperwork can be signed digitally for convenience. Notary public license, optional but recommended. Getting your notary license costs $50 to $150, depending on your state, and adds serious value to your service. You can charge an extra $10 to $25 per notarization. In many states, you can complete notary training online in a weekend. PDF scanner app. Use your phone to scan documents quickly. Apps like Adobe Scan or Cam Scanner work great. Payment processing. Set up Square, PayPal, Venmo, or Stripe to accept payments. Make it easy for clients to pay you immediately. CRM or spreadsheet. Track clients, services provided, dates, and follow-ups. Even a simple Google Sheet works when you're starting out. Vehicle history report access. Sign up for a Carfax or AutoCheck account. Offering VIN checks as an add-on service builds trust and adds revenue. How to set up your business. Let's talk about the actual business setup. Don't overcomplicate this. Step 1. Understand the legal boundaries. You are not providing legal advice. You are not a lawyer or a licensed DMV agent. You're offering an administrative service helping people organize documents, fill out forms correctly, and understand requirements. Step 2. Get a business license, if required. Many cities and states require a general business license for any service-based business. This usually costs $50 to $200 per year. Check your local requirements. Step 3. Get insured, optional but smart. General liability insurance for a service business is cheap, often $300 to $500 per year. It protects you if a client claims you made an error that cost them money. Step 4. Build your service menu. Create a simple price list with clear descriptions. Step 5. Create a simple web presence. You don't need a fancy website. A one-page site with what you do, who you serve, your pricing, contact form, your service area. Step 6. Set up social media. Create a Facebook page for your business. Post helpful tips, DMV updates, success stories with permission, and reminders about your services. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's talk about pitfalls so you don't waste time or money. Number 1, overcomplicating it. Number 2, underpricing. Number 3, not setting boundaries. Number 4, poor record keeping. Number 5, ignoring marketing. Number 6, not getting testimonials. After every successful transaction, ask for a review or testimonial. Social proof is everything in a trust-based business. Scaling your business. Once you've got consistent clients, here's how to scale. Hire assistants. Train a part-time helper to handle basic transfers while you focus on complex cases and business development. Expand service area. Offer remote consultation for clients across your state. Coach them through the process via video call or email for a flat fee. Create digital products. Sell downloadable guides, templates, and checklists for DIY clients. Charge $19 to $49 for comprehensive state-specific guides. Build a multi-state network. Partner with specialists in other states. Refer clients to each other and split fees. All right, that's the complete breakdown of how to make money as a DMV Title Paperwork Specialist. This is a real-world, boots-on-the-ground side hustle with serious potential. You can start this week with nothing but your phone, your computer, and a few hours of research. Now, here's what I want from you. Comment below with your state. Tell me where you're located, and I'll personally reply with the exact DMV resources you need to get started. I'm here to help you succeed. If you're serious about building real income with practical skills, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. New episodes every week covering money-making strategies that actually work. And if this video helped you, smash that like button and share it with someone who's looking for their next side hustle.